Miss Erin here for another edition of Wee Wednesday. Myself and Miss Colleen are so excited to host you here this morning. And we have gotten to see some of your smiling faces at the Main Street Children's Museum, which has been so fun because we are open for members right now. If you haven't gotten the chance to come here yet as a member, we would encourage you to book your tickets online to come visit us. And we are open to the general public on June 4th. So we hope to see you here. All right, so let's hop on into our songbook and see what instrument we're going to be using this morning. Continuing with our nursery rhyme theme, and it is May 26th, so we're using rhythm sticks this morning. Woo! So make sure to get your rhythm sticks ready. But first, we gotta sing our Hello Friends song. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, it's time to say hello. Hi friends. Okay, do you have those rhythm sticks ready? Because it's time to grab some sticks, it's time to grab some sticks, it's time to grab some sticks today. It's time to grab some sticks. Woo! Okay, can you tap it real fast? Tap them real fast. Can you tap them slow? Can you tap them up high? Can you tap them down low? Great job, friends. All right, and now for our first song this morning, we're gonna do The Grand Old Duke of York. Okay, and we're gonna keep the beat together like this. The grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. The grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Great job, friends. All right, now for our next instrument song this morning, we're gonna sing Old Macdonald Had a Farm. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So he has the cow. What should we do for our next animal? How about a pig? Have you guys seen the baby piglets at Brattonsville on Facebook? You have to check that out if you haven't seen it yet. All right. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So we did a cow and a pig. What goes cluck cluck? A chicken. Let's do chicken for our next animal. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck cluck. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job, friends! Oh, get some last taps in. Last taps! Because we're gonna put our sticks away. It's time to put the sticks away, sticks away, sticks away. Time to put the sticks away, put them away for another day. Great job, friends. And now we're gonna check out our felt play for this morning. Our felt play for this morning is called Zero Cookies. And before we get started, can you count the cookies with me that are on the plate? 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies. And it goes like this. Mama baked 4 cookies, left them sitting on a plate. When my 4 friends came to play, I guess they couldn't wait. Each ate 1 big cookie. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 0 cookies left, but Mama's making more. I hope you all enjoyed that felt play, and now we're gonna head out to an exhibit in the Main Street Children's Museum for our movement songs this morning.
We're here in the Gnome House at the Main Street Children's Museum, and the table is all set for tea. So as we continue with Nursery Rhyme Month, we're going to do I'm a Little Teapot, and let me show you the hand motions for that. So short and stout, take your hands short and stout, then take your left hand and make your spout and your handle, and we'll tip ourselves over and be a teapot. Are you ready? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Good job, everybody. The last one we're going to do is called Polly Put the Kettle On. So, let me hold my teapot here. Polly put the kettle on, Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on, we'll all drink tea. The next one goes, Suki take the kettle off, Suki take the kettle off, Suki take the kettle off, they've all gone away. Good job, everybody. Next, we have a great story about a very special tea party. We are reading our story today with permission from Macmillan Publishing. Our story is titled Tea with Grandpa, written and illustrated by Barney Salzburg. Every day at 3:30, me and Grandpa, time for tea. I can pour so carefully. Grandpa holds his cup for me. He tells me stories. I sing a song. Grandpa laughs and sings along. When I dance, he laughs some more. I'm a lion, roar, roar, roar. I'd like some muffin, he will say. I have to tell him, too far away. We clink our cups. I say goodbye. He says tomorrow, sweetie pie. 'Cause every day at 3:30, me and Grandpa, time for tea. Tea parties can be so much fun, even if they're with somebody who doesn't live near us. Hope you enjoyed our story today.
All right, friends, Miss Colleen and I had so much fun with you this morning, and we look forward to having you with us for Wee Wednesdays in the fall, and hope that you have an amazing summer. Are you ready to sing goodbye, friends? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, friends, and have an awesome summer.